we're going to talk about zipper tape and whether you should buy a zipper in a package from a fabric store or whether you should think about buying zipper tape by the yard. Zipper tape comes in rolls in different lengths. This is a 25-yard roll, and the zipper pulls come separate. If you're going to be making a lot of pillows or sewing for customers, you're definitely going to want to consider buying zipper tape this way. It's much, much more economical, and there's no waste because you can cut off exactly what you need for any given pillow that you're making. It's super easy to put the zipper pulls on the zipper tape, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You're always going to want to make sure you have a nice clean cut on the end of your tape to start with, and as the word invisible zipper implies, the side where the teeth are invisible is the right side, and the side where you see the teeth is the wrong side. Okay, I have cut off a piece of tape from my roll that's about the length of the end of my pillow, the bottom of my pillow, and I'm going to start by pulling apart the teeth a little bit. Then all you have to do is take your zipper pull, pull the little tab upward to where this side is showing with the two channels, not the single side, but the side with the two openings. You're going to take your tape, and you can see the teeth are rolled to the back a little bit. We're just going to, you can see I can kind of unroll those a little bit. I'm just going to unroll it a little bit so that I can simply slip these teeth into the channel. On the right, go about halfway up. Unroll this one a little bit, slip it into this channel to about halfway up. Put your two fingers behind the tape and hold it with your thumb so you've got it nice and secure. Give it a little wiggle and you have now started your tape. Now separate your tape like so, and you have a functioning zipper. If you liked what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up or comment below, and check out the next video on how to install this zipper in a pillow.